My specific lesson plan using this tool is having students respond to literature. In this response, they will address central questions of theme and symbolism that relate to previous lessons learned. Attached to this prompt are basic descriptions of the terms theme and symbolism, right here. I made a post with a passage from the novel of Mice and Men and prompted students with reflection questions in which they must write at least 250 words to. What are the themes in the story and how do they relate to the plot and characters? And can you think of any symbols that represent one of the themes that you just discussed? Attached to this is a sample of a good reflection for them to refer to as well. After students write their post, they will have the opportunity to see others within the classroom and are required to reply to 2 with feedback. I can even make this post public so that other classrooms outside of our own can communicate with us effectively. After this assignment, they are instructed to reply to a comment submitted on their work. All of the information needed to carry out this lesson is prior knowledge of the Book of Mice and Men, background knowledge on theme and symbolism, and basic knowledge of the application. Materials would include the book to refer to and access to write about. The instructional strategies incorporated in this include traits of engagement, enhancement, and extension. My engagement strategies include eliciting prior knowledge and modeling thinking. This is because students must reflect upon their prior knowledge of the Book of Mice and Men in relation to the topics of theme and symbolism, as well as experiences they've had with these literary components in other books. Enhancement strategy used is self-reflective practice. This is because students are required to reply to others' feedback on their work and revisit it for improvement. Extension strategies include engaging students in authentic discourse with others and connecting with authentic experts. Students are supposed to engage in discussion with this post to help support their learning, and in this application, they are free to easily communicate with their instructor.